Hey everyone, this is the first part to the second video of doing the biochar in a metal tube. I am starting a full-size thing of charcoal right now. I'm using charcoal just because I don't have any easily accessible dry wood. Here's the tube. This time I've laid it on its side and it is sealed on both ends. One has the cap, one does not. And then I have 3 holes in the pipe itself, and I'm hoping those pipes will split out or spit out the gas that starts accumulating within the tube, and it'll be burned up so that this time we will have a lot less smoke and everything else. So I'm going to dump out the charcoal briquettes on this, and this should probably burn for about 2 hours or so. It seems that should be the amount of time. The tube is completely full this time as opposed to halfway. But we'll just keep it going, and I guess once it stops shooting out gas, we'll stop it. Alright, so it's not starting as quick as I wanted, so I'm just using a leaf blower to give it a little extra air and make it so it stops smoking as much. Go. Much cleaner burn. And it looks like the holes are already smoking a little bit. You can see right there in the end smoking a little bit. So put a couple sticks on top to make sure that those are burning, because we basically want a clean burn from here on out. Alright, so we are about 20-30 minutes into the burn. I have sticks on top that are capturing all the smoke, and you can see that there's basically little to no smoke right now. So the fire is very hot. Hopefully the inside of the tube is not on fire, and we'll just let it burn. You can kind of hear the hiss. That could be the sticks on top. They might be a little dry or a little wet, or it's the definitely on this end. The gases are coming out of this end right there, and so that's burning up pretty good. You can kind of see how the flames are flying up on that side. So that should be all the gas from the tube that's burning up right now. And we're also doing some marshmallows as we go. So I'll do a video after we're all done. And I used about a bag of charcoal between 2 burns. So you're looking at $10 for charcoal, probably another $10 for wood pellets, and that gets you a couple gallons of biochar. Alright, here we are about an hour and a half or so into the burn. You can still see the 3 holes are putting out gas, not as much as they were. And then that's the end, which is also unsealed, that's putting out gas. So we know there's still some stuff left in the container. At this point, I'm probably just going to let the coals burn out, and it'll probably be 2 hours, somewhere around a 2-hour mark, that everything is done, or that I'm done with it, and then I will spray it with the hose to make sure all the coals are done and everything is completed. Alright, we're about 3 hours past the burn. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it off and water it, make sure everything's put out. So it's probably a little hot. Just a little bit. And after this, I'm going to open up the, or I'll try to get the pipe up and water the charcoal inside the pipe as well. And we'll be able to see what the burn looked like. So here's the end of the pipe. You can see how it looks so far. It looks pretty good. I stuck in a bunch of wet sticks on this end, so the wood pellets are in there. Like I said, I'm gonna spray this with water too and get everything. Looks like there's some coals in there and whatnot, but we'll put it out. All the bricks and everything are still pretty hot. And let's see if I can, maybe I can tip this up a little bit. Definitely deformed the pipe. As you can see, it's more of an oval shape now, which is fine. Looks like we got some stuff at the very bottom that's not completely done. So I'll shovel this out and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, here is the result from the 2 to 3 hour burn. Like I said, I used, basically filled up a 6-inch by 2 foot, I think it was, chimney pipe full of wood pellets. One end did not burn very well, which is fine, and then the other end didn't burn very well, which is fine. I would say probably 3/4. Looks like it was done pretty good. Probably next time, if I were to do this again, I would probably add more sticks, a little less compaction within the pipe, because I packed it pretty tight. And then I would probably use an entire bag of briquettes and cover the pipe evenly on both sides. I didn't really do the ends as much. I figured the whole pipe would heat up evenly, but it seems like that's not the case. So with that, I'd probably, yeah, like I said, do an entire bag of briquettes and then load up the pipe, maybe get a little more sticks and stuff in there. Obviously, if I had dried items, it would work much better. But overall, pretty successful. Yeah, just make sure you water everything off and the coals are done. And I will put all of the charcoal stuff within a bucket, make sure it's soaked really well. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put it in the aquaponics system, let it suck up all the nutrients and things for a couple weeks. And at that point, I will put it in the garden. So with that, thanks for watching.